Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka Yellowberry. And for this video, by the title, as you can see, I am going to try on a whole bunch of clothes that I used to wear before I got pregnant. As some of y'all, most of y'all may know and probably can already tell, I used to be like the ultimate party girl. I used to be out every single weekend, drinking, drunk. I never broke my phone though. I was never one of those kind of girls. Never lost anything. But you know, I was just always on the scene, always out, always knew where it was at. Just always in the crowd, okay? But as you know, life took its course. You know, just things just, you know, just slowed your girl down. I don't know if it was age. I don't know if it was the fact that I got into a relationship. I don't know what it was, but whatever. It prepared me for motherhood now because I am all the way out the loop. Don't know anything. I can't even tell y'all a new song that comes out, so whatever. I'm going to try on a whole bunch of little outfits. We're going to see how they look. We're going to see if I can still pull them off during my pregnancy because I am definitely trying to still wear some of my old clothes. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I look. So for starters, we're going to start with this two-piece that I have purchased from Opali. If I can say so myself, I could wear this. Like, I could definitely wear this again. It definitely fills out way more. I'm going to put my pictures on this side of the screen. I do notice that the pictures that I do have in this outfit, you can't really see like my full figure. I honestly broke my phone around the time that I wore this outfit, so I got all the pictures after I wore this outfit. But in some of the pictures you can see how flat my stomach was. I do remember when I first put this outfit on, like the butt was very, very baggy. And it's so funny because I also thought that my stomach looked so big in this two-piece that I think I did like a, I was working out and doing like abs for like 5 days straight before I had to wear the outfit because it was big. But now I see this is what a big stomach looks like in this outfit. And definitely my chest filled out the brassiere part. Previously, my chest was not filling this out at all. Right now, my boobs are literally under the underwire. And I remember when I was wearing it before, if I hunch over, like, the bra was so stiff that it would, like, you know, move. But y'all definitely gonna see me in this again. I think it looks really, really good. Now on to the next outfit. Alright, y'all. So I found this cute little dress. I purchased it from Fashion Nova. It has like a little slit at the leg. You can't really see my tummy in it, but I can say I'm definitely filling this out way better than I did when I wore it last year. Last summer, I think I wore it. Yep, well, clearly because we are in the beginning months of 2020. It is super short. It was always super short when I wore it though, but I don't know. Now that I'm pregnant, I just feel like this is a bit much. Like, I would definitely have to tape the boob area and definitely kind of keep the skirt part of the dress like together, but I feel like this could pass too. Like, you can't really, I just look like I got a fupa. I don't really look like I'm pregnant. Comment down below if I look pregnant in this dress, because I think I could let it rock. I mean, after this month, I don't know. My stomach might, you know, really, boom, hello, be out there. But it's really not that bad. So this is what the outfit looked like prior to me being pregnant. And as you can see, the boob area was definitely too big. I was like hunched over and you can see everything. And you can just see that right now I definitely felt the dress way better. So is this pregnancy weight? Like, I hope it sticks because your girl I could deal with this. I'm still skinny, but I feel like I'm filling out my clothes way better now than before. This is one of my favorite dresses of all time. I wore this to my boyfriend's cousin's wedding. And it still fits like a glove. I think it still fits. I think it's really classy for a pregnant lady. I would definitely put this on again. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I did have some troubles putting it on. Like, I was hearing the seams rip a little bit. So if I ain't going nowhere this month, I might can get away with it next month. But after next month, I don't think I could get away with it. I really don't. Like, it was already tight before I got pregnant. Before I got pregnant, I was really struggling in this dress because the material was like bondage. It's really, really tight. But I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the little belly. Oh my gosh. This is super cute. Alright, we finally have something that cannot fit. So, I definitely wore this outfit last year, September. Well, there's something similar. I can't find the shirt that I actually had to go with the skirt. But kind of the same concept. This is a bodysuit that I purchased from, I think, Misguided, whatever, it doesn't even matter. And I cannot button my skirt. I was having troubles back in September with this when I had a flat stomach. So now, like, I can't even get the clasps to even touch. Like, this is crazy. And I have to put it over my stomach. It is so short right now. Like, my butt is literally right here. Like, if I bend over, it's over. You can see my heart. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. The first outfit that cannot fit. Oh wait, maybe. Whew, okay. I'm gonna be hysterical. Okay. I got it to close. This does not feel comfortable. This does not feel safe. And my child's father will definitely take me off these streets real quick if you ever see me in this outfit. At least this skirt. The shirt is not bad. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that my chest was showing. The shirt is not bad. It still fits, but the skirt gotta go. I gotta re-gift this because I don't know. I don't know. Definitely could have worn this maybe like when I was 1 or 2 months. Now, definitely no. So I'll call this my little Beetlejuice 2-piece. So, I can't find a safety pin right now, so I'm just going to hold it. This is what the outfit looked like prior to me getting pregnant. I looked super cute in it, super innocent. Now I just feel skanky. My butt cheeks are literally falling out. The stomach area is definitely covering the bump, holding the bump together. But yeah, I cannot go outside in this. Like, the front doesn't look too, I don't know. Nah, I ain't going outside like this. I go hoochie mama, literally. Somebody's hoochie mama. The top, definitely. I can still definitely go out in this top. Pair it with like a cute pair of, I don't even know, something that don't got my butt hanging out. It doesn't look too bad. I'm telling you, I have definitely changed. The old Alex would have been out here, see-through bra, showing everything. Like, I don't care. I have a nice body. Let me, you know. Alex now is just like, no, like, cover up. Where's the church hat? I just definitely got to switch it up. If I'm having a daughter, I don't know how I'm gonna let her go outside, because she ain't gonna be dressing how I was dressing. I'm gonna tell her this right now, sister. You will not be dressing how I am dressing. But if it's a boy, he cannot bring a girl home the way I used to dress. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe not, I don't know. So I have this cute little, I guess I call it a flapper dress. It is not zipped up all the way. I can't really reach it. Can't really zip it, to be honest. Prior to wearing this dress before I got pregnant, it was definitely a very, 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 very tight dress. And for some reason, I was gonna say for some reason right now it feels looser, but clearly it's not zipped up all the way. But I think it's still really, really cute. I wonder if I like get it zipped up all the way, will it fit? Oh my gosh, guys, do y'all see the mom hips? Do y'all see the mom hips? I done waited 25 years for this. I would always think to myself, like, I wonder if when I have kids, will they spread my hips? And the answer is yes. The answer is yes. The girl got little mini hips. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, so back to the outfit. I think it's really cute. I would wear this again, definitely. Because I feel like the way I'm wearing it now, I don't know if it's just the wig, but I just feel like it just looks way different than when I wore it previously, as you can see. Love it. And last but not least, y'all, this is my infamous one piece. I don't know, I just feel like whenever I see this one piece, it just brings me back to a certain time in my life. And it's so crazy because I think I wore this outfit for the first time 2 years ago with this same wig on my head. And I feel like it's so nostalgic. Like, I literally look the same but just with a belly. And this outfit definitely fits as well. I'm filling it out way more. Remember before, the boob area was way looser. I think I had this sewn just so I could gather it together. And yeah, the arm part was a little looser, but it wasn't like too big. But I can see where now I'm definitely filling this out way better. Like, it's hugging my tummy area, it's hugging my bottom area, and it just overall looks better to me. Would I wear this now pregnant? I don't know. It's just something about like the deep cleavage and like the pant part that's kind of just like giving me too much. I just feel like, I don't know. I did see a lot of women, I do see a lot of women who are pregnant, they still do show cleavage. Like, they can still be sexy and it's tasteful. But I don't know, I don't feel like this gives me tasteful while being pregnant. Like, it's cute, it looks good, but I just feel like it's a lot. Like, this just screams single girl Alex. Like, I'm not a mom Alex. I don't know. But thank you all for watching. This will conclude my pre-partum outfit try-on haul, just to see what looks good still, what I can't wear. And as you can see, out of I think the 6 outfits that I showed you, I cannot wear only one, and I can't only wear half of it. I just can't wear the skirt part. So yeah, I will definitely see me in some of these pieces again, just not like the skanky ones. But I just want to thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. Please comment down below with any thoughts and opinions, or any whatever you want to tell me. You can just put down there in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.